searching for words and phrases in your library, that is books, commentaries, and dictionaries, is different than the way you search for words and phrases in the Bible. The icon you'll want to use is this purple icon here that will open up a new search window for anything that is not the Bible. This is context sensitive into whichever window you have active. For example, now you can tell by the change in colors, dictionaries are active. Now I'm going to click commentaries are active. It will search this specific book that I have highlighted, or whatever book I have highlighted in either window. So if I wanted to say God of the Living, I'll type that in. It's not the same methodology where it's a word or you have to close quote. Notice here when I click options, I can search for any word. In other words, any one of those words would return a hit, all of them, or the exact phrase. And of course you have the typical options for whole words only in cases. There is a hit on Mark 12. Notice when I put my mouse cursor on it, I have a pop-up that tells me where it found it. If I click on it, watch this bottom window. And you can maximize this window, which we'll cover in a different video. And it takes you directly to the section where he comments on it. And this is how you clear your search if you want to do another one. Now the question may come up, what if you want to do a search in the rest of your library? Then you must change your active window. In this case, I'm going to set it to books. I'm going to do a search for the Ante-Nicene Fathers. So I clicked on the magnifying glass. I'm going to click volume 1. Now I'm going to go back up here and again type in God of the Living. It remembers that I was doing an exact phrase search. I'm going to click search and it found it in 2 locations. Again, I have the pop-up, or I can click to go to this particular section in the Ante-Nicene Fathers. So your methodology is quite different. You do not need to use quotes. This is the key to being successful. And remember, what you search depends on which of these you have active. And of course, which book. I'm going to go back here to Matthew Henry's. So now it would do its search in Matthew Henry's whole Bible commentary. To be clear, if I was to click here and click search, it would search for that phrase in Michelson Strong's dictionary.